Hello, gamers! Today, we're diving into the world of Counter-Strike 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the legendary FPS series. Counter-Strike 2 builds on the foundations of its predecessors, offering a blend of classic gameplay and modern innovations that promises to deliver an electrifying experience. In Counter-Strike 2, the intense battles between terrorists and counter-terrorists are more dynamic and thrilling than ever before. The game features a variety of new maps, as well as revamped versions of iconic ones, ensuring both new and veteran players have a fresh experience. Enhanced weapon physics and realistic animations make every firefight more immersive and strategic, demanding precision and tactical thinking. One of the standout features of Counter-Strike 2 is the introduction of new gameplay mechanics that emphasize teamwork and individual skills. Controlling strategic points, outmaneuvering opponents, and completing objectives have never been more critical. The game encourages players to refine their strategies and collaborate closely with their teammates to achieve victory. Counter-Strike 2 also aims to make a significant impact on the esports scene. With revamped competitive modes and tournament systems, players can showcase their skills on a global stage. Improved matchmaking and advanced anti-cheat measures ensure that every match is fair and balanced, providing a more enjoyable experience for all players. The visual overhaul in Counter-Strike 2 is nothing short of stunning. Utilizing cutting-edge graphics technology, the game offers highly detailed environments, lifelike character models, and dynamic lighting effects. This visual fidelity not only enhances gameplay, but also immerses players in the intense, high-stakes world of Counter-Strike like never before. Additionally, Counter-Strike 2 introduces a host of new features aimed at enriching the player experience. A more robust customization system allows players to personalize their loadouts and appearance, while the enhanced audio design ensures that every sound, from footsteps to gunfire, is crisp and clear, providing crucial in-game information for longtime fans of the series. Counter-Strike 2 is a thrilling evolution that honors its roots while pushing the franchise forward. For newcomers, it's the perfect entry point into a world-renowned series that has shaped the FPS genre for decades. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a new recruit, Counter-Strike 2 offers something for everyone. Sharpen your skills, strategize with your team, and dive into the action-packed world of Counter-Strike 2. Good luck on the battlefield, and remember, strategy, speed, and teamwork are the keys to success.